Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherilyn. Welcome to my channel, Sherilyn Food Etc. Today I'm going to show you how to make some quesadillas, quick and easy way. So let's go start it. So first of all, we're going to make some seasoning for our quesadillas. Let's go with salt first. This is like around 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon paprika, and 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon dry oregano. So we'll just mix this all up. This is what we're gonna use for our seasoning. So for our main ingredients, we have 14-ounce lean ground beef. You can definitely use regular ground beef if you have to. We have some chopped vegetables, 1 small piece of onion chopped, green bell pepper chopped, red bell pepper chopped, and 2 tablespoons or 2 pieces of garlic cloves and some cilantro. And we also need 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and some beef bouillon powder for seasoning, shredded mozzarella cheese or whatever cheese you have available, cheddar should be okay, and some tortilla bread. So let's start cooking. So in a large pan, we can pour in at least around 2 tablespoons of oil. So next we're gonna add in our chopped onions. Cook this around 4 to 5 minutes until it translucent. Next, we are going to add in our chopped or minced garlic. Cook it at least around 2 minutes. Add our ground beef. Cook this around 4 minutes. We'll add in our red and green bell pepper. Our 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Add at least 1 teaspoon of beef powder. 2 tablespoons of water. Mix this all up. Add our seasoning mix, at least around 1 tablespoon or more, depends on how much spiciness you want it. Just mix it up. We'll cook it for another 2 minutes and we're done with the tortilla mix. You can definitely add more spicy mix on it, the mixture you made earlier. Depends how you like your seasoning. This is all done. Now we're going to prepare the tortilla bread. So first up, we're just gonna press one side of our tortilla bread. Just like that. And then we'll flip it. In goes our shredded cheese. You can put as much cheese as you want. Depends how much you want. So there you go. And then you add in your meat. Tortilla meat. Still hot. Nice and hot. And then we'll add in a little bit of cilantro. You can put as much cilantro as you want, but I prefer not too much for this one. There you go. And then you fold it in, just like that. Let's do one more time. We'll brush the one side of our tortilla bread. Flip it. First layer would be your cheese. Then your meat. Oops, making this. It's okay. And then some cilantro. And then more cheese on top. Then fold your tortilla towards the end. Next, in our preheated pan, we're going to toast the tortilla at least 2 minutes per side. So we're just toasting our tortilla 2 minutes per side, and that should all be done after. Here's our quesadilla, ready to be eaten. Looks so good. Yum. Yummy.
Tastes good, right?
Tastes good. It's very good. Seasoning is perfect. It's not so spicy and just perfect. Yum. I can probably easily eat 4 of this. It's really delicious. Spiciness is perfect and it's really tasty. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and put some comment below, and hope to see you again to my next video. Take care.